Holy smoke, we have the iPhone 16 Pro Max unboxing video. The launch event is happening on 9th of September and it's still more than a week, but we have got the first real life unboxing video of iPhone 16 Pro Max in this new desert titanium color. We have been seeing the leaks and renders of iPhone 16 series from a very long time, especially the iPhone 16 Pro Max variants in all colors, and we came to know Apple's new color of the year will be desert titanium this time. It was looking really bad in previous leaks, but this unboxing video shows the true beauty of it. It's still not at the level of Sierra Blue, Purple or the natural titanium, but let's wait for the official live look. This video was shared by Tech Boilers on YouTube couple hours ago, and it is a complete unboxing video where we can see the person opening the box, and on the top there is the beast itself. But if you look closely at the box wallpaper, it's pretty much same as of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. But anyways, have a look at this new desert titanium iPhone 16 Pro Max. The cameras look the same size as of iPhone 15 Pro Max, but the rings around the camera glass are a bit different from iPhone 15 Pro Max cameras. They were flat on iPhone 15 Pro Max, but here looks more like rounded, and rest of the design is totally same. You can see the capture button on the side, which we have already talked about in previous videos. Apple is introducing a new button on the right side of phone, which will not be like other physical buttons, but this one will be a haptic button. It means you just have to press it slightly to take pictures and zoom in or zoom out and all that stuff. It's same like we used to see the home button on iPhone 8 and lower models. To me, it totally looks like the final production unit, not a dummy unit or anything like that. Other than that, we can also see the charging cable in the box as well. No doubt it would still be the same Type-C to Type-C cable. People still gonna miss the lightning cable's legacy. Video also shows the case for iPhone 16 Pro Max in brown color, the usual matte case, just like we have seen a lot of them already. Anyways, it looks nice as it is fully matching with the color of iPhone 16 Pro Max. Some more back cases you can see here. We already know the launch is happening on 9th of September as Apple has teased itself, so not so far. We will also see Apple Intelligence in action. It's the most advanced AI optimization for the iPhones from Apple, which will also be unveiled on 9th September. Apple Intelligence is said to be supported only on iPhone 15 and iPhone 16 lineup. So that's all for now. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.